Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program to count the frequency of words in a file. So given a file as input to your Python program, so your task is to count the frequency of occurrences of each word. So this is an example file that I have taken. So where I have tried to copy the headline itself. So let us try to use this. So now let us try to import all the required modules. So let's say from regular expression. So I need to import the sub. So this is for the substitution of special characters into a spaces. So I need the regular expression and also to convert the string into a dictionary. So let us try to use the counter module that is from collections. So let us try to import the counter function. Yeah, so this is for creation of a dictionary. So now once we are done, so let us try to open the file and try to get the data. So I'll be using the context manager that is with open. This is open and let us try to, let me modify this. Yeah, so there's a function to open a file. So let us try to open the example.txt and in the read mode. So let us try to give a aliases that is the file descriptor. So now once we are done opening the file, so let us try to read the data and store it into a variable that is fd.read. Yeah, so once we get the data, so we need to remove the special characters from this given string. So let me copy the same, that is data is equals to, let's use the substitute function and let us try to remove the special characters. The special characters like something like question mark, exclamation mark, comma and dot, and we need to substitute it with a space, and the input data to this function is data itself. Yeah, so once we remove the special characters, so let us try to use the counter function to get the dictionary. So let's say word underscore count is equals to, so let's use the counter and the input is, so let's take the data dot split. So this is the input to the function and we'll be getting the dictionary as output. So once we are done, so let us try to print the occurrences of each word. Let's use the for key comma value in word count dot item. So this is a dictionary. So let us try to iterate and try to print the word as well as occurrences of the word. So let us try to print, that is in the quotes, let's say word, that is we have to give key, let's say occurs in the colon, and let us try to print the value times. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to count the frequency of words in a file. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So you can see this is the output of the program, that is write occurs one time, A occurs two times, etc. etc. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to count the frequency of words in a file. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's all I had in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.